What if innovation was a part of daily life? Hi, it's me, Natalia, your personal guide to a true force of wonder, the Nissan Ariya. The Ariya is Nissan's bold take on the future of electrification today. The dawn of a new era, you could say. Nissan has always been at the forefront of the electrification movement for over 70 years. Beyond the sleek exterior of the Ariya lies something special: Nissan's philosophy of designing vehicles to empower the driver. Experience the thrill and precision of moving powerfully in the Ariya with Nissan's innovative e-Force. Navigate tight corners and new terrains with ease and control. It's incredible. ProPilot, Nissan's latest driver assistance technology, uses navigation and high-def 3D mapping. The sensing technology adjusts your vehicle's speed while keeping you centered. Picture the Ariya as an extension of your lifestyle with seamless connectivity. Discover real-time charging, plan your routes ahead of time, and even set the climate controls before you get in the car. And when you do get behind the wheel, Ariya's tech greets you. The exciting connected car services of the Ariya makes it so much more than a car. Hello, Nissan. The Ariya empowers you to integrate your life, home, and calendar all at the touch of a button or voice command like, "Hey, Alexa." Quietly extraordinary moments like these are what makes the Ariya so innovative and distinct from the rest. As the excitement for the Nissan Ariya builds, look out for more highlights in the coming weeks. Before you know it, you will be driving your own force of wonder.